What's going on, y'all? It's back at it again with another video. I forgot to make a video yesterday. I had dropped off my pickup truck to my guy. We're gonna start on the sunroof, so we throw in that big roof in it, and there's another little extra little touch surprise I got going on with that too. So y'all gonna see it in the video. I ain't gonna say nothing yet, but yeah, we're on our way right now. I forgot the pieces too. Fuck. Hell yeah. Gotta go back. Come on, man, move. Yeah, but forgot to bring those pieces, man. But yeah, we're on our way right now. Well, on our way back to the shop. But we're on our way right now for to go see what's up with this sunroof that he's putting in. He's putting in the headliner. I forgot to give him the pieces that go around the headliner, the trimming, moldings, whatever you want to call them. I gotta go pick those up and get a little sample, take it to the paint shop, so they give me a little spray paint so I can match it up and shit. So but yeah, this is gonna be a nice little build that's still in process right now. I'm not done, I'm still getting there. We're already probably like halfway done, so I'm excited. You know, it's been a good build. There's been a lot of headaches, a lot of stress, but shit, that's what comes along with this car game shit. So yeah, stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna go back to go pick up these pieces, and then we headed to the shop, and I'm gonna show y'all a little sneak preview on the sunroof, see what he did yet, because I dropped it out to him yesterday. Maybe cut a hole in it, so let's see the process, and stay tuned. Let's get it. What we do here, we got a Cutlass, 442 Cutlass. We got the Maruchis. We're doing a steering wheel swap on here. So I'm taking off this steering wheel. I'm applying the other one. It should be here. In here. Let's fill it. We got the billet specialty one. Summit Racing. See that big steering wheel? It is going on there. Y'all see how we get down. We got the adapter. So we got a little bit of everything. So stay tuned and let's get it.
I love that game. It's like what's the other one? Damn, I forgot the name. That was one of my favorite games on PlayStation.
TJ, I need the rubber mallet. Get this bitch off.
You use Dante head.
Use his head. Bang it. Well, we got the screw off. Now I'm telling this guy to bang this bitch out. Get the steering wheel going. I'm assembling it right now. We just barely took off the nut for the middle. Let me show you how. You bang it out?
Baby man.
Go ahead. Oh, hell no. You got the little baby one.
I can't find the other one.
Use that one. Just come out. A little baby one. Yeah, my guy banged this bitch out real fast. The man, TJ. And it's off.
Yeah.
My man.
Easy breezy.
Yellow beezy. That one's
This
gone.
is yours for Christmas.
Let me see, let me put this one on.
What I need.
Yeah, we'll feed it through right now.
He might try to bite you.
Damn, look at the accident that just happened. See, they just hit that. Look at it, she about to beat his ass.
She got that?
Hell yeah, she talking shit at him. Hold on. She said, why the fuck did you do that? And she takes off. Hell no. But yeah, let me put this on. steering wheel goes like that. Bang, bang. Throw your hood. Oh shit. Hold on, we got a problem.
What?
Cause this shit's stopping it from getting in there. So I gotta take this shit off. Yeah, that shit ain't gonna happen. ¿Quién? Oh, ¿quién es ese? ¿A quién es el Rocky? El mecánico de Ogden. Yeah, we gotta take that off.
For sure.
Yeah. Well, we fucked up, so stay tuned. So we back. We had to take off this plate thing that was on there because that motherfucker wasn't going on. Now it's on. Hold on.
Check that shit out quick.
So let me see the horn thing where you gotta connect, the yellow one. So that gotta go in here. But this shit looks broke. Yeah, that shit ain't gonna stay.
Hey, you know what?
He ain't gonna have no horn.
You could rip that old one out.
Let me see.
Yeah, rip that shit out. Yeah, just keep breaking it until you know. Oh shit, see, it works.
Yeah, but look at their bitches broke in there. Or look at the clips right there.
Well, here, put that end in there, because that pushes in.
No, there's a thing where I could connect it in.
Well, the horn works.
Damn. Look at it, it's right there. Oh shit. Damn, that shit almost hit me in my eye. Oh shit.
It's like plain operation.
All right. So where am I gonna?
And then see if you could, see that wire that you get on your lap? Take the end.
See, that's right here, this one.
Right, that's
but there's
what
nowhere to
that's
clip
for.
it on. You see?
Right, so put this plastic piece in there. You gotta take that out. And that'll push it down, and then maybe that other piece helps.
Put it in there.
Now slip that piece through, that wire. Let's see how that works.
Hell no. I gotta, let me see that blue one. I think that one's the one that's gonna have to connect. Yeah, that shit hit me in my eye right here. Look how close it was right there. Almost wounded my eye. I would have been blinded for life. So you gotta wear safety goggles, y'all. That comes off, but that's plastic. We'll get back to the video as soon as we get this shit popping. There you have it. Steering wheel's in. You'll see it. Barely special. It was a bitch, but it's on there. We had to assemble it all together because it came brand new in the box. So yeah, this steering wheel's on. Let's see it. We gotta clean it out, get all my fingerprints off that. Yeah, there she goes. New adapter on there. Everything's new on here. So yeah, y'all need a steering wheel put on. Come quality car. Shot-Town Fable. And let's get it, baby. on, y'all? We at the shop. We got the pickup truck, and we came. Got a little surprise for y'all. And that extra little thing I got done to it. Y'all gonna like this, or y'all thought I was done with it, but nah. I mean, the outside is pretty much almost done. I'm just doing a little more touches to it right now, so I'm doing this extra little touch right now. A little cherry on top, so. Y'all ready? Y'all see that roof? Gotta put the roof on this motherfucker. Yes, sir. Got that roof, gotta have that top back, but that's not even all. Got a little extra little surprise for y'all. Look at that. Y'all ready? Is y'all ready? Yes, sir. Got the lights on that bitch. We're not done right now. I just pulled up on them. I still gotta cut this out. But yeah. Y'all see what's going on. You got the workers here. Hell yeah, that motherfucker looking nasty. Got the little app that changes the color. So stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. This motherfucker finna be nasty. Still got my door panels to get made. Still got my dashboard to get made. I got a little custom thing going on with that. Still need my center console to get made. And this motherfucker finna come up nasty. So stay tuned, y'all. Let's get it. She got that baseball cap, fitted cap on. Let's see them stars. What's going on, y'all? We just got the truck back at the shop. Y'all must wonder why am I in the dark. Well, not too much, but yeah, we got the truck right here. We just got it back the other day. We just put, y'all see, we put the stars in that motherfucker, so we finna get a nice little video of it with the dart. See how this motherfucker came out? Yes, sir. Y'all see that? We just got the stars in the roof. Got the seats in. Got that roof in there too. Y'all know how to throw that roof in there. Y'all know how to throw them stars and the lights. Nighttime action. But yeah, y'all see what's going on. Fixing the truck up little by little. I got a little couple other stuff up my sleeve right now that y'all finna see later on. These door panels are coming off soon. This was back when I first got the car. This is how the whole interior was. snakeskin. It had snakeskin everywhere. Snakeskin seat, snakeskin headliner. I was like, oh hell no, that shit gotta go. Y'all gonna see this dashboard. This is the last time y'all gonna see the dashboard like this. That's coming soon too, so stay tuned on that one. I do gotta order some new headliner trims because the other ones have fucked up on me. I lost the other one, so yeah, y'all see what's going on. Let me go on to the other side. Got that little blue and green flow going on to match the truck. Y'all see it? Dude's gonna fix this up for me, make it green to match the interior, match the headlights. But yeah, y'all see what's going on. You see the stars. But yeah, it's time to take this off today. Time to take off all the moldings because I do got the new ones. Got the gold ones. So I'm gonna take all this trim off today, finally. Taking this trim off. So yeah, y'all stay tuned and let's get it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's get it, baby.